Hi, I'm Dan,
Hi, I'm Dan.
and I am an artist and musician.
And I'm an artist and musician.
And in this video, me and Samuel here,
I just said butterflies for no reason. In this film, we're going to listen to our home, turn that listening into a map, turn that map into a musical score, and again play this musical score with objects you find in your home. No musical talent required. A sound map of our listening. It starts with you listening, so get comfortable. We are going to do a little listening meditation. It is inspired by the composer Pauline Oliveros and her technique of deep listening. Here's what to do. Spend 10 minutes listening to the spaces around you. 1. Start by listening to the sounds of your body. 2. Then listen to the sounds close to you. 3. Then listen to the edges of the space you're in. Next, listen beyond the space you're in. How far can you hear? What's the furthest sound for you? Spend 2 minutes listening to each of these. Take your time. Keep listening and imagine what some of those sounds might you look like. How could you draw them? Get some paper and some pens, paint or pencils, or whatever you prefer. Start by drawing yourself in the middle of a page. That's you listening. Then start drawing the sounds around you. There's no right or wrong way to do this. Use pictures or scribbles, words or symbols, whatever you like. If you get stuck, take a moment to listen again. Car, radio, boiler, kettle. Whatever you like, fill the paper up. Listen. Draw. Listen. Draw. You're done. Find things in your home that make interesting noises, whatever you like. Experiment with them. What sounds can you make? Shake things, brush things, try loud, try very quiet. Take your time with them. Put together a good selection of sound makers. Try combinations of objects. If you have any instrument, you can use them too. Gather together some costumes to wear. Now you're ready. You're a band. What's the name of your band? Look at your map. Imagine it's your musical score. How could you play it with your instruments? What does this orange bit sound like? And this blue bit? And this black thing? And this brown squiggle? Scrunch! Play them out with your instruments. Here are some ideas to get you started. Call and response. Move around each part of the map. One person makes the sound with their instrument, everyone else copies on their instrument. Go round the map with one person leading, then swap and let someone else be the leader. Click piece. Play one part of the map on your instrument. Make the sound as short as possible. Everyone else was the same, but they made their sound at the same time as someone else. Try and keep the gaps as short as possible. Play this for 3 minutes. You'll get good at it. Come up with your own ideas. Do each idea for at least 3 minutes. Have fun.
great, thank you very much.
Great, babies. Thank you very much.
Hope you had fun.
Hope you had fun.
See you soon.
See you soon. I'm gonna go buy a newspaper.